Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here multiplication sign. Here multiplication. 10/2. गुना 2 1 2, 2 5, 10. 10/2 times 5. 2 1 2, 2 5, 10. 5 गुना 5 is equal to 5 गुना 5. 25 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. Press the subscribe button. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. चैनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.